Today we're talking about custom metadata in Scrivener 3 for Windows. In the Inspector Metadata, the section with the luggage label icon, you'll see a section called Custom Metadata. When you first open this up, there's a button saying Set up Custom Metadata. When you open up the metadata, which can also be done by clicking on the three dots, you'll find a familiar looking box with a plus and minus icon. Except they're at the top. So custom metadata is another method of categorizing your document. The custom metadata items are the same for every document or folder in your project. You can't have different options. To create a metadata item, then click on the plus icon and give it a name. Then go to the Type pull-down list. So text is just what you might imagine, a text box for typing in for each document or folder. You can get it to wrap text, which is always advisable unless you're centering, and to use coloured text, which I can only imagine might be useful if you had multiple text boxes. Don't use this colour, it's awful for text. I've seen what's coming. Checkbox is just a checkbox. You can have this auto-selected if you want. List allows you to create a pull-down list of items to select from. Click on the plus and minus in the separate box to add or delete items. Oh, and the None item title is just so that you don't have to have something selected. Date, as you might expect, gives you various standard formats and a box to put in a custom format. Click on the question mark for acceptable codes. Obviously, if I were actually using this, I'd change the date to UK format, but I'm not going to worry about that here. And this is what they look like. And as I said earlier, the metadata items are the same for all documents and folders. That's a lot of metadata options to add to those already as standard. Next time, we'll be talking about how you can use all these things with searches.